been more than a year since my last vlog for the Veloz. So itong pupunta natin is Veloz V. It's the top of the line. So kapag sinabing top of the line, meron yung Toyota Safety Sense. And ang ganda sa Veloz is pwede mong gawing kama yung second and third row. Or kung ayaw mo naman i-combine yung second and third row, pwede rin yung first row and the second row. So yan, kunyari napagod ka sa long drive, pwede mo gawing kama. And by the way, before we head straight to the Veloz V, pwede sa amin yung trade-in. Baka meron kang lumang sasakyan dyan. Trade-in mo na, pwede mo gamitin pang down payment. Alright? Then, kung meron ka na existing approval, yung approval mo kahit sa ibang brands yan, pwede mo i-transfer dito. Okay? Tara, punta natin yung Veloz agad. Yeah, so guys, this is the Veloz V. Top of the line. Isang indicator kapag top of the line is this. Meron kang 360 camera. Yan. Pag nakita mo agad yan, top of the line. Then also the sensor at the windshield. Top of the line agad yung nasa harapan mo. So isang ikot lang before we go inside. Right? So ang ganda ng grill. Chrome running across. Then fog lights. See that? Right? So the mags is two-tone design and the size is 17 inches. Nice. Then what's next is this integrated signal light with the 360 camera lens under. And this one is the lamp. Body color design, door handles with smart entry. Okay, you don't have to push this. Ilalagay mo lang yung finger mo dyan. Once na na-sense niya malapit yung susi, mag-a-unlock na siya or lock. Yan. This one is the red mica. Right? Shark fin antenna. Meron kang spoiler dito na integrated. Yan. And this one, tail light with this design running across. Right? Ganda. And meron tayong dalawang backing sensors. Okay? I hope you can see it. 1, 2. So dalawang backing sensor. Enough na yan plus backing camera. Okay? Ganda. Then meron tayong sprinkler dito. Okay? Sana nakikita nyo against the light. And what else? Yeah, meron tayong nakaabang dito na roof rails. Okay? So i-detach nyo lang to if you want to install some roof rack. Right? Then so ayan na naman yung mga galit sa atin, wala daw price yung ating vlog lagi. So Veloz V is 1,262,000. If white pearl lang gusto nyo, plus 15,000. Okay? Yan, that's the Veloz V. Top of the line. Let's go inside. And by the way, ang nakakabit na tires dito is Bridgestone. Yan, so guys, this is the door panel for the Veloz V. So meron siyang white design here. Okay, ito, it's hard plastic. Mukha siyang leather, pero it's plastic. Ganda. Actually, yung mga plastic na yan, na-design yan para mas lightweight, of course. Then yung engine, hindi mas nahihirapan. Okay? Then this one is soft leather. Okay, white siya, pero soft leather siya. Then this one under is hard plastic. Dalawang cup holder natin, of course. Extended. One speaker. Nice. Then yung adjustment natin ng side mirrors is this cursor button siya. Okay. So ito yung selector kung left or right. Nice. And 4 panel ng windows natin. So central lock ng window. Right. Then meron tayong seat height adjuster. Ito yon. Okay. Para sa mga hindi nabihiyaan ng height. Then ito naman yung sa sandalan natin. Okay. Then ito yung pang-open ng gas natin. Okay? Then this one is for opening the hood. Ito pwedeng lagayan ng card natin. Okay? Sa mga toll entry, pwede yung card nyo dyan, especially kung loadan nyo. Ayan, pwede nyo i-save keep dyan instead of putting inside the wallet. Inside your wallet, I mean. Then meron tayong ditong auto high beam function. So yan, kapag ka pumapasok ka ng tunnel or just in case gabi na, automatic mag-on yung headlight mo. Magandang function, at least dire-diretso ka na. And ito naman yung traction control. Leave it on, okay? Call me. Pwede nyo tanongin sa akin kung bakit iniiwan niya madalas na on. Then ito naman yung lane departure or pre-collision button. Okay. Ito maganda dito yan, no? Kita nyo. Pwede na siyang lagayan ng cellphone. And of course, cup holder yan. Ito yung aircon vent natin with silver accent design. Ayos, ganda. So, being the top of the line, meron tayong side curtain na airbags. Ganda. And going at the steering wheel is this. Meron kang cursor button here. Okay? To navigate the multi-information display. Then meron tayong trip meter. Back button when it comes to navigating the multi-information display. So, yan yung enter, cursor, then volume, control. Okay, nice. Ganda. So, leather to with gray stitching. Okay. Then, ito naman yung skip button natin. Okay. Then, ito yung pang shortcut natin. Just in case, lilipat tayo FM, AM, Bluetooth, answer call, drive mode. Itong drive mode na to, pwede kang mag-adjust between eco or power mode. So, nice. Ayan, meron siyang silver design. Then, this one is piano black finish. Okay. This one is para siyang rough leather. So, yun yung texture na. So, dito naman, wala tong paddle shifter, guys. And dito, same functions. Okay, ito, wiper, headlight on. Okay. Nice. So, after natin sa steering wheel is this infotainment. Okay, ito yung kamay ko para ma-visualize nyo lang. Yan. So, merong home button, volume control. Actually, may shortcut din dito, of course, for the volume control. Okay, pero may volume access dito, plus minus. Voice command, star, and the home button. Okay, touchscreen yan, of course. Yan naman lagi ang tanong, meron ba tong Apple or Android Auto? Meron, of course. Yan yung aircon vent with the hazard button. Of course, being the top of the line, this one is push start button. Okay? Ito yung off. Auto max. It means one push, then ima-max niya na yung blower. Then ito yung blower control, alright? Then temperature control. Okay, ito yung circulation. When you turn this on, within the cabin lang yung hangin. Within the cabin yung intake. Within the cabin yung lamig. Okay, ito naman yung thermostat. You can choose this kung i-off mo or i-on mo. Okay, pag in-off mo yan, magsiserve lang to mga blower as electric fan. So, walang lamig. So, yun lang na may function yan. Then, this one is for the rear defogger. Right? So, ito naman yung reminder kung sino yung mga hindi naka-seatbelt. Okay? So, our shift knob is inline design. So, this one is the park, drive, then reverse, neutral, drive. So, meron kang Tiptronic, the plus minus. So, magandang function yan, especially kung uphill ka or downhill. Or minsan baka namimiss mo lang yung manual transmission na mismo mag plus minus. So, pag drag mo niyan dito, okay, meron yung button dito So, you have to push this You have to push this every time you change the drive mode. Okay? So kapag nandito ka na sa drive mode, adjust mo lang yan dyan para ma-access mo yung plus minus function. So meron kang electronic parking, electronic handbrake. So yan, para mas madaling intindihan. Electronic handbrake, then merong brake hold assist. The brake hold assist is parang auto handbrake yan. Especially kapag nasa stoplight ka. So all you have to do is ilong press mo lang tong brakes. Then mag-engage na yung hold. So ibig sabihin nun, parang may nakaapak na sa preno for you. Then wala ka nang ibang kailangan pindutin. Just step on the gas, step on the accelerator, then aandar ka na ulit. Okay? So ito yung wireless charger natin para sa phone. Then nandito naman yung center pocket natin with power supply, yung classic, yung bilog. Okay? Sa mga millennials natin, alam nila yan, abutan pa nila yan. Then meron tayong cup holder dito. Okay, extra cup holder. Then, okay. So, ito naman ang ating glove compartment. Okay? Hard plastic. Ito, leather. This one is leather, Meron tayong another cup holder. Okay, aircon vent with silver accent. This one is hard plastic. Rough texture siya. Okay. Same design on the passenger side, first row. Then going at the headliner, meron tayong mirror. Okay. Meron tayo sa mga nagme-makeup, kung sino man yan. Then meron tayong door function sa front cabin light. Okay. Pwede yung i-push yan for individual na light lang. Then meron ba dito? Wala tayong mirror for the driver's side. Then wala tayong handle dito. Okay, maganda yan para hindi ka ma-tempt humawak dito. So you have to focus dito sa steering wheel, of course, when driving. Right? Then ang texture ng seat, okay, yan. So fabric and leather ang design niya. Itong headrest natin is leather. This one at the center is fabric. Then ito, meron tayong suede. Okay, then ito is leather with gray stitching. Okay, so yan, mukha lang siya may ventilation function pero wala. Okay, ang maganda dito is meron kang center console. Alright, sa mga hindi may alam ng center console, ito lang yun, Okay, parang race car ang design niya. So that's what I mean about that center console. Nice, ganda. Okay. So, very spacious tong Veloz natin. So, let's go inside the second row. So, ito yung design ng second row door panel niya is meron kang super convenient na cup holder, window control, door function, hard plastic, pero parang siyang may texture ng leather. Here under is this soft leather white door handle, isang cup holder na extended, and one speaker. Yan, ito yung na-mention ko before sa mga vlog ko na pwede mo i-connect tong second and third row. So magiging kama siya. Okay, all you have to do is to remove this headrest, itong tatlo na to. Okay, then pwede mo na i-connect tong second or third row, or the first row and the second row. Yan, ang ganda niyan. Then when it comes kung gusto mo i-collapse tong third row, is flat ang kalalabasan niyan. Sobrang laki ng space mo sa third row. Okay, then meron kang files. Ayan, lagayan ng files, what I mean. And meron kang 2.1, okay, na power supply dito sa likod. Okay? So, both are USB. USB power supply. Okay? Then, okay, ito yung aircon vent natin. Nice. Okay, ito yung control natin for the aircon. Then, meron tayong center cabin light for the door function. Yan, umilaw siya right now kasi bukas tong door natin. Okay. Then this one is just lit. Nice. So dalawa ang vent natin dito sa second row. So yan na yung magpa-function for the second and third row aircon vent. Alright. Nice. So same design for this seat design itong second and third row. Combination siya ng fabric and also leather design with this gray stitching. So Isofix design, pwede mo ikabit dito yung mga car baby seats natin. Okay. And nice. And what else? So that's it. Okay, don't forget yan, meron akong 360 illustration na kinonvert ko to sa bed. Yan. So ito yung view natin. Yan. Nice. Ganda. Okay. Then meron tayong ilaw dito. Okay. Service light. Just to support dito sa likod. Just in case kunyari nasa dark area ka. And meron tayong power supply dito. Okay. Nice. Ayan, ang ganda. Para yan sa third row. Then, dalawang cup holder. Okay. Then, dyan din sa left side. Okay. So, ito, isang sample lang. Okay. Yan, kita nyo? So, it's flat. So, yan. That's the third row. Okay. Meron tayong libreng carpet, matting, and this one, lagayan ng tools natin. Yan, kita nyo? Okay. Yan. So, actually, supposed to be nandito yung jack and tools natin. Okay. So, ito naman yung pang-collapse natin ng spare tire. Okay. Gamitin mo lang yan sa hexagon na yan. Okay. Habang iniikot mo yan, bababa yung spare tire natin beneath this Veloz V. Okay, it's under the vehicle. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Alright, yan yung spare tire niya. Nice. And this one is not power tailgate. Okay. Pero yan, actually, nagugustuhan niya nung iba dahil less maintenance yan in the future kung magkaroon ng malfunction. Mas mura ipagawa actually. Kuha nyo ba? So yan, very spacious. Kita nyo to. Ito, pag niretract nyo yan, it's flat. Okay? Ganda. Sobrang spacious. Yan. Nice. So, yan yung interior natin. Okay? Shot lang para makita nyo tong driver side. Okay. Yan. Yung na-mention kong center console is very elegant. Yan. Nice. So nice. This one is 7-seaters. Right? 1.5 engine. Okay. So that's the Veloz V, top of the line. Don't forget guys pwede kayong mag-trade in dito. Just in case meron kayo lumang sasakyan, pwede nyo gamitin pang down or bawas natin sa bagong kukuhaan yung sasakyan. Then just in case meron ka palang approval, pwede mo transfer dito yan. For example, nagbago na isip mo, ayaw mo na sa specific brand na yan and you're planning to transfer dito. Palitan na lang ng Toyota dahil mas reliable to. So, pwede may transfer approval mo dito. Guys, I have TikTok also. Visit my YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. That's it. Bye.